Hello, this is Alessio. Today is Thursday, the 14th of October, and we're going to analyze, as always, two stocks within the ETF ARK Innovation of Cathie Wood. So, we're going to start from Nvidia. As you can see from the chart, of course, ticker symbol is NVDA. So, basically, this daily chart, as always, what is clear to the eye, at least mine, is a three ways down, initial move being 3, which of course is telling us that this high is going to be broken, this high is going to be taken at some point. And now I think what really it would be interesting to know is to investigate this move up and get an idea whether this blue ABC, minute ABC should be moved or it can stay where it is now. Also, if we know that we're expecting wave 4, that wave 4 should pair up with wave 2, this one. So of course we know that correction of the same degree tends towards equality in magnitude. So equality would be around $181, which, not gonna lie, is quite an interesting level. 8 of course is a fib number, but we can see clearly we have support here. So I would like to see this B wave perhaps to go a bit higher, to move around, could go become a bit more sideways and then move back down for that wave C. So if, let's see on the 1 hour, what we can see with the recent move up. So it looks like, so could it be kind of 1, 2, 3, triangling 4 up and 5? I guess yes, but the way I would like to see it is A, B, C for A, triangle for B, up in C to complete this wave B, and then move back down. So ABC, let me just chart it. ABC, this would be the right degree. So now I can delete the lines. And then A, triangle in B, up for wave C. Let's move to right degree and red. There we go. ABC for A, triangle in B, up for wave C. So that's Nvidia basically. Can we trade the upside? Actually, for short term we could. Not my favorite setups, but definitely possible. So that was Nvidia. If we move on to the next one, which is Pinterest, ticker symbol is PINS. So here is a bit different. Still this is a daily chart. The initial move down was in 3. Of course, that happened a long time ago. The question here is, did we end the correction into intermediate wave 2? Because if I take you all the way back, this appears to be the biggest correction ever after the 2019/early 2020. But after the rally, this was the biggest correction ever in terms of magnitude. So of course, we will like to know when it's going to be completed. Is it completed? Well, we have a few evidence. We can see 3 waves down for A, directional B, and then 5 waves down. This looks like a lot. A wave 5, some kind of diagonal, because we have a overlapping structure. So it's very typical of a diagonal, and of course, an ending diagonal can be in wave 5. So what is also interesting, is, which is what you were seeing when I first moved to this chart, is that wave C of minor degree is exactly as long as wave A or the same degree. So of course equality is a very common target for wave C compared to wave A at the same degree, and that perhaps is telling us that we could have a low in place, yes, but it's quite early to say. So we know that around here usually support shows up, and it is showing up, but We could also go a bit lower and then resume higher. We don't know. What we do know is that it isn't getting into an interesting situation where it could become convenient to buy at some point, not that far in the future. But of course, we're gonna monitor that and we'll see what's gonna happen. So that was it for me today. As always, hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if you have anything to add. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next